Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today in this video we are going to discuss OCM board paper time management. We know that OCM is a theory subject and we require lot of time to complete the paper. So how much time we should give for one particular question? So in this video we'll discuss about this. There is a good news for you. Maharashtra State Board has allotted 30 minutes extra writing time for all subjects due to COVID 19. That means you have to complete your paper not within 3 hours but within 3 hours and 30 minutes. In this academic year, students did not get sufficient writing practice, and that's why Maharashtra State Board has decided to give 30 minutes extra to complete all the papers, which are for 70 to 80 marks. So for OCM, we will be getting total 3 hours and 30 minutes to write the paper. We know that we have paper from 3 pm to 6:30 pm. That means total time we are getting 210 minutes. So how to divide and manage this time so we can write and complete our paper properly and nicely. You know there are different 8 types of questions. The first question will be objective type question. It will be asked for 20 marks. You are supposed to write 20 answers in this question. You can take 30 minutes to complete this question number 1. So when exam will start at 3 o'clock, by 3:30 pm, you should complete your first question. Then question number 2, explain the terms. This question is asked for 8 marks and you are supposed to write 4 answers in this. These 4 answers should complete within 20 minutes. That means one answer within 5 minutes. So your second question should be finished by 3:50 pm. Now question number 3, case study. It is asked for 6 marks and you have to write 2 answers for this. This question can be finished within 20 minutes. That means you can give 10 minutes for one question. So by 4:10 pm you must complete this question. Question number 4 is distinguish between and it is asked for 12 marks. You have to write 3 distinguish between. Give 25 minutes for it. So by 4:35 pm we have to complete distinguish between. Do not give more time, otherwise you will not able to complete your paper. Question number 5. Answer in brief. It is asked for 8 marks and you have to write 2 answers. So 25 minutes are sufficient to complete this question. By 5 o'clock you have to complete question number 5. Question number 6 is the justify the following. It is asked for 8 marks and here also you have to write 2 answers. So same time allotment 25 minutes. So by 5:25 pm you have to finish with this question number 6. Question number 7 is the attempt the following. This question will be asked for 10 marks and you have to write 2 answers for this. Give 30 minutes for this question. 15 minutes for one answer. So by 5:55 pm your this question will be over. Question number 8. This is the last question. Answer the following for 8 marks and here you have to write only one answer. So 25 minutes for 8 mark is sufficient. So by 6:20 pm your this question will be over. And last 10 minutes you can keep to check your paper, to go through your paper, to find out your own mistakes, to tie the supplements and to submit the paper. In this way you have to manage your time properly, so you cannot complete the paper before time also and you should not leave any question also. So keep in mind whatever 8 marks questions will be there, try to complete it within 20 or 25 minutes. So within 200 minutes your paper should be over. Prepare properly for your OC exam In next video, I will show you how to write the answers. So subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends so everyone will be benefited. Bye. Take care. See you soon.